Good morning, students. Myself Renu Bansal, your English teacher, and I hope you are doing well. So today I'll teach you class second English literature, and today I'll continue the story. Name of the story is The Talking Cave. So students, today we will read the remaining part of the story, The Talking Cave. Okay, let's see once about what we had read in the last class before reading the story further. The story was about lion and jackal. The lion was the king of the jungle, and one day he was very hungry. He could not find a single animal to hunt. So when he was wandering for the food, he was searching for the food, he found a cave, and he thought some animal must live in this cave. So the lion decided to hide inside the cave. He hid inside the cave. The cave was a home to a jackal. When jackal came back home, he noticed the footprints of the lion entering the cave. Now we will read the further story. So now we will read the remaining part of the story. So let's start. The jackal thought of a plan. Standing in front of the cave, he began to shout, hello cave, can I come inside? For some moments he waited in silence. Then he shouted again, hello cave, have you forgotten? I always wait for your reply before I enter. Why are you silent today? I will go to some other cave if you do not reply. So here are some difficult words. First is begin, means begin means to start doing something. Begin means to start doing something. Next word is shout. Shout means to speak in a very loud voice. Shout means to speak in a very loud voice. One more word is here, silence. Silence means no noise and sound at all, or we can say peace, calm, quiet. These are the meanings of silence. And one more word is here, reply. Reply means say something in response, or we can say to give answer. So jackal wanted to find out that lion is inside or not, because he was not sure. Then he made a plan to find out. He stood in front of the cave. And started shouting, hello cave, and asked for permission to get in from the cave. Then he started calling out loud again, hello cave, have you forgotten? I wait for your answer before I come inside every day. Why are you silent today? If you will no answer, then I will go to another cave. So students, here is a question for you. What was the plan of the jackal? Find out the answer from this passage. So when jackal saw the footprints of the lion entering in the cave, then he thought of a plan to know if the lion was really inside his cave. So jackal went near the cave and started talking to the cave. He asked the cave, hello cave, can I come inside? So next question is, what did jackal say when cave did not reply? Okay, find out the answer here. He said, I will go to some other cave if you do not reply. So now come to the next passage. Hearing this, the lion thought the cave must reply to the jackal when he returns at sunset. It is because I am inside that The cave is not replying today. The jackal will go away if there is no answer. So I will pretend to be the cave and answer. So students, look at the difficult words here. Here's a word return. Return means to come back. And one more word is here, pretend. Pretend means imaginary, or we can say not really what it is represented as being. Hearing this, the jackal thought that when jackal comes back in the evening, the cave will answer him. He thought that the cave is not answering because of me being inside, and if no one answers, jackal will go back. I have to thought that I have to pretend the cave, means I have to copy the cave and I have to give answer. So students, here is a question for you from this passage. What did the lion plan to do when the cave did not answer? So answer is, the lion thought of pretending the cave. The lion thought of pretending the cave. Now come to the next passage. So the lion shouted from inside the cave, "Hello jackal, you may enter. It is safe inside." The jackal knew at once that the lion was waiting for him to enter. He did not want to be eaten up, so he ran away as fast as he could. The foolish lion did not get any dinner that night. So the lion started pretending the cave. He told to the jackal that he might come. It is safe inside. So jackal got to know that the lion is waiting to get inside him. He did not want to be lion food, so he quickly ran away from there. And that night the foolish lion did not get any food. So students, here is a word, safe. Safe means we can say free from danger. And one more word, foolish. Foolish means silly. Here is a question for you students. What does jackal do when he finds out that the lion is inside the cave? So what did the jackal do? Jackal ran away from there as fast as he could. Jackal ran away from there as fast as he could. One more question is here. Did the lion get any dinner that night? So answer is, the lion did not get any dinner that night. Now students, you will tell me what we learned from the story, or we can say what is the moral of the story. So moral of the story is, presence of mind is the best weapon to guard oneself in every sphere of life. Or we can say, use your wits to protect yourself from unwanted dangers. So students, now story is completed. You will read this. Today's homework is, you will read this story again and you will find out the meaning of difficult words, and you will make any 5 sentences using these difficult words yourself in your practice notebook.